Hi, Steele. Welcome to my office. I've got today that's got a Glass Pro tempered glass screen protector, but it also has a phone case for my iPhone 12 Pro. So that's what I have. I have the iPhone 12 Pro. So let's open this up and check it out. And I'm not going to put it on my phone at the moment due to the fact that I am just filming this with my phone. That's kind of how I do my videos, with my phone. So I'll put it on after, and if there's any issues with it, I will update in the comments below, or if it's bad or something like that, I'm just going to delete this video so you won't even see it. But let's check it out and see how the case looks. So this is the protection case, and we'll see how it is. So I got one that was clear. I have a blue phone, so I thought, oh, hey, how am I going to see the blue if I get a case that's like all black or something? And so I figured I'd get myself a clear one. And so this one, it kind of feels good. It's actually got like a little texture on the inside, which is nice because then it won't get all the fingerprints and stuff with those clear ones, but you'll still be able to obviously see the color behind it and on the sides even as well, because the iPhone 12 has that. Feeling where the buttons go, it's actually pretty good. They've cut it so in a way that you can actually push the buttons in. I've had one before and I couldn't push the buttons in, but this one here, I can see the buttons are going in, so that's gonna work okay. Where the charging port is, it's fairly thin down there, which is gonna be good because then I can probably still put it on my dock and whatnot as I need to. The corners are reinforced because if you've had these things, it always starts to break at the corners, and that's where you're dropping them usually, is on the corners. Also looking at it, I can feel that there's a lip on the front, which is kind of nice because it's going to give it some depth, so the glass won't be sitting out of the case. I mean, it might be actually once I put the screen protector on, but at least it won't at first. So that's going to be good about it, is it's not going to break my original glass. So I like that. So there's that, and then I have the glass. So then that's that, and this is my glass screen protector here, and it's a little tempered glass apparatus here. Let me open this up. See if I can open it without actually breaking it. Let's see, there we go. So here we go. So this is what it looks like inside of this. And it all comes together, so it's all one purchase. And it comes with a wet and a dry and a wet, two of them, and it actually comes with two little glass screens. So that's kind of nice. So I can actually, do it twice. So let's see. Actually, what is this? What does it say? It's for the back? I don't even know. Nope, for iPhone. Oh, for the 6.1 inch. So that's what it's for. It just says it's for the 6.1. That's what it is, and it's tempered glass. So I'm not going to bend it or anything like that because I don't want to bust it. Oh, but here you can see what it looks like there. So, and it's not yellow. It's just got the yellow sticker on it. And then this is what the other one looks like. It's just, how do I get it out of here? It's just clear. Hello. There we go. So that's what it looks like. Thankfully, you can still see me through it, which means that it's it's good. So that's it. So it's glass, and it's got the little covers on. It looks like it's just on that one side. Yeah. So there we go. So that's the screen protector, and it comes with two of those. So if I screw up on the first one, or if I break it somehow, or at least I have an extra one, and you get the case and two screen protectors together, all for this one package deal, which is a really good deal. And it was probably, can't remember what it was, but it was definitely less than the price of a single screen protector at any of those mall stores. So you get two screen protectors and a case for less than the price of one of those screen protectors at a mall place, or less than any of those cases would be. Those cases are ridiculously expensive at all those places. So this is for sure a really good deal. I'm going to put a link to this in the description. I have an iPhone 12 Pro. That's what this particular one is, and that's the one I'll put a link for. But I think they have other ones. The same company makes them for all the different ones, so you'll be able to pick and choose which one you want. I think there's a little drop down there. But I like it, so a thumbs up from me. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll be back with some more reviews as I get more stuff. Thanks for watching. Bye.